Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You'll begin by verifying iOS 17 or newer and opening settings. This matters because live captions requires on-device speech models. Next, go to Accessibility, find Live Captions, and flip it on. Once enabled, tap Live Captions to download the language model. Make sure you're on Wi-Fi for the first download. While that happens, adjust caption size and language. These controls change readability and accuracy. Once done, you're ready to use live captions in calls, media, and live audio. You now configure detailed settings. Choose caption size, weight, and whether auto language detection is active, because these directly affect reading speed and recognition. Next, open the app you'll use, FaceTime, phone, or a video, and if captions don't appear automatically, tap the live captions icon in Control Center or the call screen. Speak clearly and position the iPhone near the speaker. Doing so improves on-device transcription. If multiple speakers are present, pause briefly between turns to reduce overlap and boost accuracy. To finalize, test live captions with a short recorded clip and read the transcript. If words are missing or timing lags, toggle live captions off and on to reset processing. If problems persist, re-download the language pack in the live caption settings because corrupted models cause garbled text. Also, make sure iOS is up to date and reboot your iPhone. These steps clear temporary audio and model cache. If none of that helps, contact Apple support for deeper diagnostics. Don't ignore persistent errors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.